My name is Wilson Castillo. I am married. I'm from Bogota. I am 47 years old. I am commercial manager, and I am studying food engineering at UNID. In my free time, I like to sharing with family and sometimes listen to music. I live in Cartagena, and my city there are many touristic places like History Center, San Felipe de Barajas, Cas and beaches. In Cartagena, our tropical food is fried fish. Tray is and dish that has fresh fish, coconut, rice, fried plantains, and salt. In Cartagena, we celebrate the Independence Festival of Cartagena in November. I saw how to festival, the Firu Festival, and the Front Festival win and tropical of carving culture. In Cartagena, you can go to Was Trucks Historic Center and enjoy the beaches. You can also try delicious tropical food. Can and visiting this beautiful city.